Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium like a professional. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Sit comfortably with the harmonium directly in front of you, ensuring your back is straight and shoulders are relaxed. This posture is crucial for sustained playing and proper breath control. Place your hands gently over the keys, ready to engage, and keep your feet flat on the floor for stability. A good starting position sets you up for success. Next, let's master the bellows, which are the heart of the harmonium sound. Operate them with a smooth, consistent pumping motion, ensuring a steady airflow. This even pressure is vital for producing a continuous and stable tone. Experiment with varying the air pressure to control the volume, from a soft whisper to a robust sound. Consistent airflow is key to professional-sounding sustained notes. Now, let's focus on your finger technique and basic scales. Aim for one finger per key, ensuring each note is pressed cleanly and precisely. Begin by practicing fundamental scales, such as C major, to build essential finger dexterity and coordination. Concentrate on achieving smooth, seamless transitions between notes, avoiding any abrupt stops or hesitations. Consistent practice will develop the muscle memory needed for intricate melodies. To truly play like a professional, consistent practice and expressive play are paramount. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to focused practice, incorporating a variety of exercises like arpeggios and chords. Critically listen to your own playing, identifying areas where you can refine your technique or improve your musicality. Explore diverse musical pieces to broaden your expressive range and develop your unique artistic voice on the harmonium.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.